The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to begin a proposal in Curriculog and to turn on the help text within the proposal. You want to make sure that you're in your home screen where it says My Dashboard. You'll click here that says New Proposal. Scroll through the list until you find the one that best fits the change you're wanting to make. Hover over the form and click Start Proposal. Here is where you'll begin making the changes, but as you notice, the first step says to turn on the help text. To do so, click the icon here, and you've now enabled the help text. This information will appear over some of the fields. For example, here above the rationale, it tells you that there's a max of 400 characters, and there's also additional information here that says scroll to the bottom of the list and choose either fall, spring, or summer.